Hello everyone, I'm Nadine, owner of NG Platinum Homes. We're in our Clear Lake project. I'm here today checking on progress. We're really moving along on tile work, but I wanted to show you what we're doing here in the living room. So we have already leveled out the floor. If you recall in a previous video, I talked about how there was a step down into the living room and the client wanted it to be level. So we filled in with concrete, leveled that. We finished installing all of the main flooring in this area, which is a beautiful large format wood look tile. And then here behind me where the fireplace is, if you can look at these the previous design. There was built-ins, it was an old fireplace, mantle, so she really wanted to update that a lot. And so what we're doing is we're taking the stone all the way to the ceiling. Giving her some really nice floating shelves. And then just instead of doing a small hearth, we are giving her a large bench that goes all the way across. And on the top of that bench, we're going to be putting in a kind of concrete decked on material, which is really nice. And then added storage underneath, putting drawers in it so she has all kinds of storage for blankets, pillows, and extra things that she needs. So that's it for today. Stay tuned for more from this project.